I asked you if you were sick. You didn't say anything. Why did you have to go and buy agbo?
I'm not sick.
Then why did I find this in the trash?
It was in the trash.
Answer the question.
You are yelling at me, Wale.
What did you use this for? You're not talking.
I thought maybe it will help. You know,
Is that what they told you? Whoever sold you this devilish thing? Come on now, Wura. I thought you were smarter than this.
Are you trying to blame me for something you're too busy to do?
Listen, we have both been trying. But this is desperation.
Or maybe I'm desperate. Maybe. Do you even know why I quit my job to work at the daycare? Do you? You know, in one corner of my head, I thought maybe, just maybe if I start to take care of children for free, God will give me mine. I did that for us. But what have you done for us? What? You're too busy for me. For us. Well, look around you. Look around you. What are we even doing in your village? What? And yet, I'm the one who is desperate. I'm desperate, right?